battery here. It's voltaic pile. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to see if we can measure the voltage. We're trying to see if we can measure voltage, and of course we have our voltaic pile. They had asked us to get some vinegar and soak this sense in vinegar and some salt, of course. And they're trying to make us cut this pennies into pieces. Yeah, since this zinc washers, they're not exactly fitting in, we may put this is a galvanized zinc. We may try to put 3 to compensate for pennies, or we'll just try experiment with it. One penny, one aluminium foil, 1 penny, the paper, and 1 or 2 zinc coins. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll pause the video for a bit. Yeah, this is a fairly straightforward thing I did. All I did was just to cut on the edge to make like 3 like sort of like circles of pennies, so they form the, I guess that's the electrolyte, I guess, or the separator between the pennies and the zinc, I guess. But yeah, just a quick update on it. So the pennies are still soaking. I just want to make sure they're clean and there are no more bubbles that form. Once the bubbles are gone, that means very likely the impurities have been dissolved. And these pennies probably I'll put 2 a piece. I'll just maybe put 2 a piece will be fine. This is zinc, probably zinc coated. Anyways, I'll get back to you again. Guys, this one stinks like crazy. I guess vinegar generally stinks, but this one stinks like crazy. Don't do it without adult supervision. But yeah, see, the bubbles are not coming out. I guess the impurities are gone. I guess we soaked them plenty. So I would take them out and I'd put them here with 2. Of course, we're not getting ideal shape like this, because that's what I could find in Home Depot. So to fit these zinc galvanized, they call it galvanized zinc. We would talk about galvanization sometime later. So I'll put maybe 2, or maybe I'll try to fit in 1 more, maybe 3 on top of it. So it's not ideal, but okay, it's something, you know. We'll try to put 3 and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, ciao. So it also asks for an aluminum foil. I just got an aluminum foil. I cleaned this. It has no impurities at all. And this is the vinegar, and then the pennies are here. Again, I'm not cleaning the vinegar with any of Bounty, because that may introduce more impurities into the pennies. They're shiny right now. I just set them out for dry on the side, and I would let you know once I'd cut this piece of I guess this is called element onto this plate here, and we'll check the multimeter later. Yeah, moment of truth, guys. I don't know if it will work, but you see this 1 penny and I bought 2 zinc galvanized zinc rings up here. Let's see if we get anything in the voltmeter. Let's see. Moment of truth. Guys, you see the multimeter is about 0 right now. I guess there are some statically charged, and also we're at the 200 M, which is the lowest voltage. So even if it detects a little bit of static electricity or some sort of charge, you'd see some voltage here. So it's like the lowest voltage here. I'll explain. You would understand that this is like the lowest voltage reading. That's why, you know, maybe my guess is there, if you see some charge, that's why it's moving. But actually, it's, let's say I move it to 20 volts, right? You would see the multimeter not moving at all, because there's likely no charge at all here, and probably I'm touching the probes together. That's the reason why. Let's turn it off and let's turn it back to 20 meters again. Yeah, you see 0 right now, but in 200 M you'd see. But right now, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna touch the positive probe, which is the red, to the silver. The aluminum foil, and then the black probe, which is the negative, I say, or ground, to the to the to the zinc alloy. Let's see. Sorry, to the zinc washer. Let's see what's going to happen right now. You have to trust that I'm going to do that. Okay. So let me just put this probe here. Okay, I think the probe, I'll touch it here, and I think the reading is it's not reading much. Okay, because it messed up. Let's see. I think I saw. Okay, let's check the circle again. I'll call back to you again.